you through how you can set up your KDP Amazon account. So you can be able to set up this account if basically you have been able to verify your account either using the Google Authenticator or your contact. So I know it have been problematic to verify this account for people who are living in the African continent, but we have made this easier for you. I have created a video showing you how you can do this thing easily using the Google Authenticator app in your Android device, which you can download in your Android device or the iPhone. What you're supposed to do basically in order to set up this account, come to here, we have your account. So we will save and continue basically. So after doing that, in case you have correctly verified your account, you'll be taken into this interface. Let me show you that interface now. Now. So I need us to get to your personal identification since you'll be taken into this interface. What you need to do, you need to enter your name, which is mandatory. You also need to enter your country, your postal address, the province which you originate, the city which you are staying. Then you need to enter your address line and then address line 2, which is optional. Then you need to enter the date of birth, your phone number. Then you can save and continue. So you just need to confirm and continue. Then what you need to do again, you can come here. You can you can create these account details to confirm to your business or to your business, which is the corporation, which is the corporated entity, or for individual use. But in case it is for corporation, it needs some basic steps since your company must be registered by the registrar of the company from the country which you originate. But the advantage of it is because it allows some trading. You can be able to trade your account, you can sell your KDP account. For individual, it is not complicated, but we shall go to the individual side, which is less complicated. But as you learn more, you can shift to the corporation in case your account grows bigger. So then from there, what we need to do, you need to set up your bank. So technically, my bank is located in Kenya, since this is where I'm living as per now. So this is Kenya, which is here. Then from them, you need to enter your account number. So I enter my account number here. Let me enter my account number here. Then I need to re-enter the account number again. Then I need to enter the bank code. So the bank code, there are 2-digit code which are given to a certain bank for identification. So I can say I'm using KCB, so I can say KCB 2-digit code. Let me see, 2-digit code. 2-digit code. So this information is usually online. So we have the 3-digit code. We also have the examples. We are given examples here. KCB. So this is the SWIFT code. Let me show you where we can get it. So the bank code, the 2-digit code, it is 01. So you can get information about your bank online. So they are required to disclose this information to the public. So you are also required to enter the branch code. So my branch code, the branch code which I use, is located in somewhere we call Gatundu. Gatundu branch, Gatundu, Moi Avenue, head office. For simplicity, let me check closed. So some branches, they have been closed. So I need to check the branch which I use. So if I could get a means to search. I need to have mine here. They were organized in the chronological order, so I can download it. Then after downloading it, I want the Gatodo South branch, which is where my account is attached, so that I can be able to show you. So let me search for Gatundu. Gatundu branch. So the code which is allocated is 214, so and it is open, so you can be able to know even the running of if the bank is still operating. So it is 214. So this is the SWIFT code of the bank. You can also be able to get it online, so you can come here and say KCB SWIFT code. You can get it easily. So the SWIFT code is here. The SWIFT code for KCB. So these things are always in the public domain, since they are required to disclose this information to the public. Then you can come to where we have now the business type. We said we will stick with the individual. So in case it is for corporation, when setting the date of birth, you set up the date of birth when you incorporated that entity. So, but in our case, it's the year when I was born. That is the name of because it is an individual enterprise. So I just come here, choose the year which I was born, the month, and the day. Then the name of the account holder, that is me. So that is how we set up. So easy, direct to the point. In case that is if you follow instruction. Then from there, you can select an existing address. So we shall just use this one, then use this address. So we can confirm. Then from there, we can hit next. So add to save. So we can add and save. So it is saving. So we can save and continue now. So you need to now go to the next section where you need to complete the tax details, your tax details. So you can complete the tax questionnaire to set up. So the tax questionnaire, it will just ask you some questions here, some queries about your. So you add this. What is your classification of the tax? So my tax is for individual. So in case it is for business, you need to have the special number which you have been given by the Revenue Authority, which is where you can remit your taxes. Then you need to search the country which you originate. So are you a US citizen? No, I'm not. Then you are supposed to, are you acting as an intermediary agent or other receiving payment? No, I'm receiving for myself. Then you need to select downward and come to where we have the information is already auto-populated about your address. So you need to enter a special tax identification number. So let me get my tax identification number. Just a minute as I'm getting my tax number. Let me get it in 1 minute. We shall be having it in 1 minute, and I shall show you what we do with these things. So my special identification number is here, which I usually use to remit my taxes using. Okay. Then I'm a US non-resident, so this is my tax identification number. Then I'll hit continue. So I forgot to select my citizenship. So my citizenship, I'm from Kenya. Where is Kenya here? Where is this? It is here. Then we can say when we are through in setting up our account in Amazon KDP, and we can confirm, select the country, save and preview. So this is the details which we have entered, so you can see them here. These are the details. This is the reference code and this is the detail. Then we can submit the form for verification. So I need to input my signature here. So the signature is my full name, which is Simon Kinuthia Wainaina, which is here. Then I submit the form and make sure you have completed. So I need to certify. Then I can submit the form. So the applicable withholding tax is 30%. So I can exit the interview. So we can get back and try and now do try and now publish our book. So we can continue to the setup. Let's continue to the setup. So we can go to the last process which we are and see if we can be able now to publish our book. So as you can see, now you can be, the publish button is now available, so you can hit publish and publish your book. And this is how we usually do it. So in case you